Good morning, students. I am Mani Meghalai, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, Arulmigu Palaniyandavar Arts College for Women, Palani. Today, we will discuss about set theory. First, know about the introduction. Set theory is the foundation of modern mathematics, which was founded by George Cantor in the year 1845 to 1918. We often talk about sets of objects such as set of students, set of sales division, set of industries, set of income, etc. In set, we will deal with a group of objects which can be defined in terms of their distant characteristics, magnitudes, etc. Next, know about the definition. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. We may describe a set as a collection of objects viewed as a whole. The objects forming a set are called elements or members of the set. A set may or may not always contain elements having a common property. For example, the set of all students in a classroom. Here, individual students are called elements or members, and a collection of all students is called a set. The next example, the set of public sector industries in India. This is a set of well-defined objects because public sector is a well-defined concept. Generally, we denote sets by capital letters such as A, B, C, etc. But the elements by small letters such as small a, b and c. The next one is description of sets. They have two description of set. First one is roster form. Second one is set builder form. The first method is roster form. A set is given by listing its element in a row, separating them by commas and enclosing all of them in brackets. This method is called roster or tabulation or enumeration method. Example, positive integers less than 10. The second one is by stating the common property. The element of a set have a common property. This property is used to determine the element of the set. This method is also called as rule defining or set builder method. Example, vowels in English alphabets. All of you know the English vowels A, E, I, O, U. The next one is precise statement. A set may be represented by means of precise statement in words. For example, set of first 5 natural numbers. The next one is types of sets. The first type is empty set. A set having no element is called a null set or empty set or void set. It is subset of every set. It is denoted by the Greek letter read as pi. The next one is singleton set. A set having only one element is called a singleton set. Example, set of mothers of a person. The next one is finite set. A set is said to be finite if it has a finite number of elements. The elements can be counted by a definite number. For example, set of first 5 natural numbers. S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next one is infinite set. A set which is not finite is called an infinite set. The number of elements cannot be definitely known. Example, set of all natural numbers because it is an uncountable, so it is called as infinite set. The next one is equality of sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal. Every element of A is an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 2, 1. So, A equal to B. The next one is subset. The set A is called a subset of S if every element of A is also an element of S. Next, properties of subset. Empty set is a subset of every set. Every set is a subset of itself. The next type is proper subset. S is called a proper subset of B if S is a subset of B and B has at least one element which is not in S. S equal to 1, 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3. So in case S has only 2 elements but B has 3 elements. So it is called a proper subset. The next one is universal set. The set which contains all the sets under consideration as subset is called an universal set. It is denoted by U or X. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, C equal to 4 and C. U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is called a universal set. The last type is power set. The set of all distant subset of a set is called a power set. It is denoted P power A. Thank you.